In the aerospace and defense industry, quality and safety is at the core of an entire program. So it starts with the first requirements and goes up to design, manufacturing, and MO. We are moving our customers from firefighting, quality and safety on the shop floor back to a continuous improvement process. The process of quality management on a program level includes also the modeling of 3D design, 3D environments, which helps the engineer to engineer out any kind of risk of quality. When we talk about rate ramp up, then we go back into the entire industrial value network, ensuring that from the suppliers to part fabrication and final assembly, we have a robust process. With COVID, the industry learned that there is an up and down and agility is needed, so we introduced the concept of flexible manufacturing. Flexible manufacturing is coming from two aspects. One aspect is all the automation on the shop floor with robots, with HEVs, with machines. We prepare the data, we simulate the data, we do a total shop floor simulation, material flow simulation to ensure that automation is ready first time on the shop floor to implement these automation. For the shop floor workers, we prepare configured work instructions so that they exactly see what they need to install, what they need to machine. But we are not stopping there because we are using augmented capabilities to project work instructions on the surface, on the object they need to install so that the worker can work with these new technologies to deliver first-time quality as we talked. Plus, at the end, we are taking information back from the shop floor. So we're taking that knowledge, link the knowledge to the virtual twin of the product and give it back to the hands of the engineers so that we have here a continuous improvement again. The 3D Experience platform with the collaboration, ideation, program management, digitally exchange of data, and then having on top rich dashboards to understand where each of the suppliers stands in the program development, what are risks which I identified, what are the mitigation processes to mitigate the risk, and then at the end, how to deliver perfect parts throughout the supply chain to the OEM so that he can install it successfully and roll out a new aircraft.